Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gabriel, and on this week's video, I'm letting my full self-drive in my Tesla Model 3 drive me to the gym and then drive me back home. Alright, so the gym isn't too far from where I live. It is 1.3 miles. It's a 5-minute trip. What's interesting about it is that at the end where it is, it's at the end of a strip mall. So when it makes a left through here, there's speed bumps. And yesterday, when I did this, there was a little bit of shenanigans through there, and it actually drove me through the parking lot. So I'm curious to see what it's going to do today. So let's get started. You can see my hands and feet aren't anywhere near anything. It's a nice rainy day out. I will say I normally come out of the garage when I do FSD, but today, because of the rain, I guess auto steer wasn't working inside the garage, so I had to pull out of the garage. So stopping completely at the stop sign, then creeping forward. We're Gucci. There's some people down here on the right. They're crossing the street. There's a car in front of me that's going left, I think. No, they're going right. Okay, good. Sometimes FSD takes me left out of here, and that drives me nuts. Stop sign, no cars are coming. We're Gucci again. Car in front of us is going kind of slow. We're going 28. This is the only stoplight in our adventure today. The light is green, so we're going to make a right here. I feel like it takes corners just a little too slow. I have it set on average, so not aggressive or chill or anything for FSD. My dynamic settings are at standard now. I used to drive in chill mode. It's 35 through here, and we're going 36. I have that set for 3% over, so 36 is pretty good. I have a truck behind me, but they don't seem to be in a hurry. There's a car in front of me, so now I'm going 31, going 30, 29. And then up here, it's going to make a left. I'm going to nudge it along because there was another car in the center lane there that was going left. We were going left, it was going left. So, flying over a speed bump, amazing. Thankfully, they're not too harsh. Another one, cool. I definitely go over those a little bit slower. At a stop sign here. Gonna go left. Then we're gonna swing around to the right as it figures it out. And then we're coming up on the gym down here on the left. So again, I'm curious to see if it's going to drive me around the parking lot like it did yesterday, which would be awesome because then maybe I can find a parking spot like that. There's a pedestrian up here. So I think the car. He's mad. But it says autopilot navigation complete. So now I'm just going to find a parking spot, which I'm going to do right over here. This is different for me. This is in between two cars. So I'm just hit the park and start. But yesterday it drove me the other way and I was able to find a parking spot down there. But since that guy ran out of impatience, it said autopilot navigation was complete anyways. So, all right, perfectly parked in between two SUVs. And now I'm going to go work out. All right, says there's one Century event that occurred. I'm sure it's probably just me, but let's check it out. Oh no. Oh, she's cute. About to put in navigation to go home. I'm at 79%. I did precondition when I was about 8 minutes left in the red light bed. So now I'm gonna go home. Again, 5 minutes, 1.3 miles. I am curious to see how it's going to exit because normally I park down that way and not the side of the building. So I bet it's probably just going to go back the way that we came. So let's check it out. Let's go. No, it's not. It is taking me behind the building, which is great because I've always wanted to know what was back here and if this was a better way to go. Obviously, FSD thinks so. Sorry, want to make sure my hands and feet. I wasn't obviously pushing on the pedal or anything. So, okay, not bad through here. I actually like this. So as soon as we pop out from behind here, I'm going to be making a right. Got someone crossing ahead of me here. I actually like that. That might be my new way of going. No one is coming. Clear to go. A semi is going to pull out in front of us. And oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Dude. Almost got slammed into by a semi truck. That makes for great content. If he just would have waited until I went, trying to relax and calm back down. Thank God for full self drive for that. Give me a moment here to collect my thoughts. I was curious to see what FSD was going to do, if it was going to like reverse or anything. Obviously, I had to do that. I had to intervene, which was great and fine. I'm glad the truck stopped and saw that. I mean, anyways, whatever. I'm here now. I made it, so it's all fine. Let that go. It's actually a really good lesson for everyone. When stuff like that happens, it happened already like a minute and a half ago. Let it go. Appreciate where you are and be eager for more fun and good things to unfold as your day continues. That's really good advice. So we're approaching the red light here, and it is red. So I'm not too far from home, 0.4 miles. Had a really good workout. I will say that was a really good workout. I did 2.22 miles in 30 minutes. So just cardio today. In October, I'll probably start back on weight training. It's been a year since I've been to the gym. So in September is my first month back. I took time off because my dad passed away. It's a green light. There's a car in the intersection, and we're going perfectly. Well, like I said, my dad passed away in the 2023, June 6th of 2023. And so, you know, you need some time to recover from that, right? So I'm now back at the gym. I'm a gym rat, so it's nice to be back. And that's a new gym to me. I haven't been there before. I've lived here for like over 20 years. We're making a left now. And it always takes this left like very cautiously. There's no one around me, so I'm letting it do it. Normally I give the accelerator a little tap to help it along. But anyways, like I said, I've been here for 20 years, and that's the first time I've joined that gym. I've gone to all the other gyms. So now it's going to make a left onto my street. Yesterday, I parked behind my other car. So I'm curious to see today what it's going to do, where it's going to drop me off at, where it's going to stop. And it passed my house. So folding mirrors, autopilot, navigation complete. So then I'm going to, look at it freak out. I'm going to hit the brakes. I'm going to throw it in reverse to park into my driveway and into my garage. Okay, so pull into my garage. When I back in, I like to look here just to see where I'm at versus the camera over there. And I definitely take it easy. Oh, there's a package in the middle of my driveway. All right, I moved the package. So here we go. Back into reverse. And just pull back into my garage. I do this ever so gingerly. It's always closer on my side than it is the driver's side, even though it looks perfectly on there. And that's it. Well, that semi truck definitely made for some interesting content there, don't you agree? Which is great. FSD handled that perfectly well. It stopped like how it was supposed to. Human, supposed to intervene and correct the situation. And that's exactly what happened. If you're looking for a referral link, if you're buying a Tesla anytime soon, mine is in the description below. Feel free to use it. You'll save $1,000. Plus, if you qualify for the federal tax credit and any local, state incentives as well. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. It actually does a lot for creators when you watch their YouTube videos all the way to the end. It does a lot for the channel. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.